Alright, y'all, we at 212. So that's the boiling temperature of water, right? Right. So let's see if the fan's on. Is it like that spinning to you? And it ain't. And that one ain't spinning either. So I either got a fan issue or a fan controller issue. I'm leaning towards fan controller because I replaced these fans. I replaced this one. This one should be the one coming on, the one in the front. Where the one facing the motor. The one in the front, that's for the air conditioning. Well, when you turn the air conditioning, both fans actually come on. But let's see if I turn the air on again. I know that. You don't have to tell me that every time. There's a mosquito in here with me. 217, the fan should most definitely, let me see. The fan should have most definitely been on at 217. No spinning, no spinning. So, like I said, once again, come in here, cut this on auto. Don't tell me that. I don't need to know that. 219, fan should definitely be on. If you know, they should be on cooling, radiator down. And they still not on. Still not on. Still not on. So I'm thinking I got a fan controller issue. I won't lie, my AC compressor being cut off, that might make the fans cut off too. So let's get into how to change that. Alright, y'all, we at 212. So that's the boiling temperature of water, right? Right. So let's see if the fan's on. Is it like that spinning to you? And it ain't. And that one ain't spinning either. So I either got a fan issue or a fan controller issue. I'm leaning towards fan controller because I replaced these fans. I replaced this one. This one should be the one coming on, the one in the front. Where the one facing the motor. The one in the front, that's for the air conditioning. Well, when you turn the air conditioning, both fans actually come on. But let's see if I turn the air on again. I know that. You don't have to tell me that every time. There's a mosquito in here with me. 217, the fan should most definitely, let me see. The fan should have most definitely been on at 217. No spinning, no spinning. So, like I said, once again, come in here, cut this on auto. Don't tell me that. I don't need to know that. 219, fan should definitely be on. If you know, they should be on cooling, radiator down. And they still not on. Still not on. Still not on. So I'm thinking I got a fan controller issue. I won't lie, my AC compressor being cut off, that might make the fans cut off too. So let's get into how to change that. Alright, here we are, front of the car, people. This will be taken off. We missing one screw. I've always been missing one screw, but we'll fix that with the one we put back. These is one of them parts that When I see one of these cars at the junkyard, I always get the part because more than likely you need it. I'm going to take the battery off while I'm in here. Because this is part of the electrical system, so I'm going to disconnect the negative battery terminal. And then we get rid of this here. Yeah, drop that on the ground. That's the best practice for this kind of stuff. A ball on this socket. Oh, now you're working. Not really. You're still not holding on. Okay, whatever. I'm just gonna go get it. Alright. Supposed to have two of them, so if your car got two, good for you. My car doesn't. So like I was saying in the previous video, I remember I taped these. So once you take that, can y'all see? Let's make it to where y'all can see. Once you take them two out, this drop down, this little cover will come out of the way. Then you can access your electrical connections. They won't have tape like that one. That's how it had tape because I think I broke one of these things. And I taped it to make sure that it would stay on. I'm almost positive. That's why I did that. So I'm just going to take, I broke you see the plug on this one is broke. I should have got the plug out of the junkyard. Actually, the plug itself isn't broke. This part broke, so that's good. The plug is fine. That part broke. When you unplug this, it's only one way these things can go. Because they're not the same on both sides. And then these on the other side, they face a different way, but just lift the tab, wiggle the connector out. I'm gonna flip this one over. Lift the tab, wiggle it out, you got it free. Anyway, so there's that. Got that out. Put the new one in. And I kind of misspoke before. I was like, I think it's the fans because whatever. No, you know it's the fans because when I showed, this is my new one that I got from the junkyard. Well, new to me. You know it's the fans because when I hit the AC, the fans came on. But, when it was just doing its regular thing, the fans did not come on. Like when the engine temp got to a certain level, the fans didn't come on. So, it's it's the controller then. Or, you hope it's the controller. So once again, these only go one way. See what I mean? The two sizes and the pins are different. So you only got one way to plug this stuff in. I could put some dielectric grease up in there, it wouldn't hurt. But it's got the little seals or whatever. I think it'll be okay. This one, once again, one's got the tab one way, the other's got the tab that way. And your wires kind of have a memory to them. You see how this one's got the tab up, the other one's got the tab down. So If you feel like you're twisting your wires to a place where they don't want to be, then you probably are. Then you just want to push this on until it clicks. I know y'all can't hear the click, but you want to make sure the tabs are engaged. Then you want to take your cover, put your cover back on. Like I said, I got mine from the junkyard. This time I made sure to get 2 screws. This one was missing 1. I don't think that fan controller was the original one. I'm almost positive it wasn't. When I got this car, it was hitting the front. Well, it had gotten into a rear-end collision. This car hit another car, but it didn't hit it bad enough to really do much damage. Broke the grill, and I think it broke that. And I think that's why that one has that piece broke out of it. Or, I don't know, it may or may not be. I'm not 100% for sure, but I just know this car was hitting the front when I got it. But the person that I got it from had already fixed it. Fixed. I say that because the person that did it, they work ain't really up to my standards. They kind of know what they're doing sometimes, but most of the time they don't. Or should I say, they'll do the jackleg way, you know, and be like, oh, it'll do. I kind of don't work like that. And I don't like sending my car to people that work like that. That's why I got stuff on this car that don't work. Because people be like, oh, it'll do. No, not really. So, got all that plugged in, tightened back up. And let's put the hook the battery back up. Get some keys. And see if we fixed the problem. Or if we just created another one. It's always possible, right? Alright, that's tightened up. I don't care what nobody say. That's why I love side posts. People be like, they hate side posts. You hate side posts because you use the pliers and you rounding the bolt off. You quit rounding the bolt off, you wouldn't have them problems. But anyhow, that's in. Let me go get my keys and we'll see what's up. Alright, be back. Alright, y'all. So, motor running. I know y'all see them fans on, right? I don't know if you can see that one or not. Let's see what the temp is. Ooh, this music, that copyright. 213. So let's see. It's raining out here, y'all. I think the fans either on low or they just cut off. Cause see, yeah, it's getting slower. So yeah. Y'all can't really see that one. Yeah, that, well, kind of hard to see it, but that one was on too. So the temp went up to, I know I didn't show y'all, I started filming afterwards, but the temp went up to 222, brought it down to 213, and they cut off. Water boils at 212, so that's about right. So we fixed the fans, people, but I still got some other stuff I gotta fix on this car. But I need to get that fixed because I gotta go take it to get inspected. But it's just safety. So, but this car actually passed emissions. But mosquitoes. I'm so sick of mosquitoes. But anyway, y'all, let me turn this off. Copyright. But y'all see the temp going back up when it go back up to 220 something. Let me see. I'm gonna get in here and rev it a little bit. Show y'all. Turn that all the way off. Well, there we go. So 222. See if I get it to 224. I'll make sure it cut on in. It's kind of cool today, y'all. It's 70 something degrees outside, I think. That's 224. I'm sure what the temp is. So it's 73 out there. So let's go back. Fan should be on. They on. It's spinning. See if I can show y'all this one. It's kind of hard to see it. Can y'all? You can't really tell, but yes, you can. You can see it a little bit. It's spinning. So yeah, that other controller was out. That fan controller. So now y'all know how to diagnose that. You see it's done came down to 219 already. Let's we're gonna sit in the car a little bit, watch it go down. But yeah, I'm just sitting here in the driveway. I did take it around the block to warm it up a little faster. So you see it's coming down. Now it's at 217. And I actually do like this a little bit better than dummy gauges and regular cars. They just tell you hot or cold because you don't know where it's at when it says hot or cold. So you see it jump down to 213. So the fans are working appropriately. Got that fixed. It's a real simple fix, y'all. So yeah, that's about it, y'all. So until next time, see you guys later.